Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you how to transform this half wig by Outre Natina. I got it off of Sam's Beauty for about $20 and the shipping was super fast. I got it in about 2 days. Now I know I'm looking a little busted, but you know how this goes. Our hair is a little jacked up before we put our wigs on, but we will be looking fabulous. Now this wig has 2 combs in the front, 2 smaller combs in the front, and then 1 larger comb in the back with adjustable straps in the back as well. Now, something that I noticed almost immediately with this wig, which is something that I absolutely love, is that the front part is super flat and almost undetectable. Now, if you have an older half wig or you've been wearing half wigs for a while, you know that that front part, the part that you would use to your hair to cover in the front, is normally sometimes kind of thick or bulky. But this particular wig, the front part is so thin and very flat, which is something that I absolutely loved and admired. So this is just a quick glance of what the curl pattern looks like straight out of the pack. I curled my hair just so I could blend a little bit easier, and this is what the curls are looking like. Now I really like this curl pattern. It's fairly loose, kind of on the wavy side if you brush them out, but really pretty, and it's straighter at the top, which for me makes it a little bit easier to blend. So I'm just going to add some edge control to my hair and try my best to try to blend it out. Now, as you can see, that front part is pretty flat. It lays very flat on my head. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I have a little bit of a peanut head. So my head is really small, and sometimes wigs, no matter how much or how tight I try to make them, they're still just kind of like loose or baggy on my head. But for the average size head person, this would be a very nice flat fit. And it's still flat on me, it's just a little bit looser in certain areas. So this is what the hair looks like. I like this down, but it just kind of was a little harder for me to kind of blend my hair. It looked a little wiggy to me, but I did think it was very pretty. But this is the curl pattern and what the hair is looking like. So y'all, I liked the hair, but it was looking a little too mature for me, a little too corporate. But then when I decided to do this, ooh, y'all, when I did half up, half down, y'all couldn't tell me nothing. And I barely have any hair in the front out. Look how flat that hump in the front is. It's absolutely undetectable. Look how flat. My hair blends perfectly and it's seamless and undetectable, especially for a synthetic half wig. So this is a cute, fun, and flirty style, especially for the spring and summer. If you like this video or this half wig, you can give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!